If you want modern minimalism and campus proximity in the vibrant charm of Berkeley, 1725 Berkeley Way is the perfect student accommodation for you. These 3-bedroom apartments come with private bathrooms and bedrooms, featuring a cozy bed for dreamy sleeps, a sleek workspace for maximum productivity, and in-unit laundry facilities to help you escape time-consuming laundromat hauls. On top of all that, your new kitchen is fully equipped for you to kickstart your chef era in style so you can dine in with friends and chase your troubles away. Here's another reason why this student abode should be your pick. Berkeley City College and the University of California are a sweet stroll away, so you can grab breakfast and still get to class on time. If you've got a long itinerary planned for your stay, just hop onto a bus from University Avenue and California Street, or catch the subway at North Berkeley and make your adventures smooth sailing. 1725 Berkeley Way has got everything you need. So, secure your spot via amberstudent.com to unlock your Berkeley adventure.